Hello, my name is Robert Deschler and today I'm happy to present you our SENTA lifter. It's a bathing lifter, transfer lifter, and it is a 2-in-1 lifter. What does it mean? You can build from a sit lifter a stretcher. I'll show you later. Coming now to the SENTA. So this is movable, transferring, high adjustable. As you can see here, lift up and down, easy to maneuver with the battery on the back. Take it out, put it in, and keep in mind all batteries and chargers are the same. So if you choose one mobile lifter from us, you have always the same battery and always the same charger. Coming to the function, the handles you can put down and forward. And this is how to transfer the position. When the patient is sitting here, you transfer the lifter and the patient in this position. Now I would like to show you how you can convert a sit lift in a stretcher version. So it's relatively easy to do. What you do first is to take the armrest back on both sides, then put the brakes down from the casters and move the lifter a little bit up to a higher position. Stop it, then take the wing. Put the wing on your knee here and then switch it in and you put it here on the back and then it's fixed. And the same we're doing on the other side. Now we put the second wing on, as you can see, so in the same way like I did it the first one here. And now we have built a full stretcher version out from our SENTA sit lift. And here this is, I take away it from the armrest and we can use this as a headrest and you just put it on here. So you have a nice headrest and we can do it the same on the other side depending in which direction we take over the patient from a bed, which I'll show you later. And we can adjust here these wings and also the other wings on the two position to have a nicer transfer situation for the patient, or when we put the stretcher in the bathtub so that the wing could follow the shape of the tub. A nice accessory we have for the SENTA lifter is this foot rest. So it's very easy, very functional, so you can put it in this direction to make the lifter a little bit longer, or you can turn it around in this direction to make the stretcher a little bit shorter depending on the length of the patient. And then just put in a second headrest in this position and then you have a nice foot stop or footrest for the patient for transferring. To bring someone from a lying position from the bed to the stretcher, it's like following. You turn the patient here on the side, bring the lifter over the bed, bring the lifter really close to the patient, really down, and then here block the casters and then turn the patient up to the SENTA lifter, and then you're just lifting up and you fix it with the safety belts, who is part of the packaging we deliver out. Now I would like to show you how a mobile patient can get into the sit lift and how to use the sit lift together with a high adjustable bathtub or high-low bathtub in, for example, with our Avero Phoenix. So what you have to do, you lock the casters, you turn back one armrest, prepare the backrest, and then the mobile patient can step or can get in. So mobile patient today is Matthias, who is very mobile. Please Matthias, go there, turn around and then take a seat. You have to assist maybe the patient, then he has a seat. Put the armrest forward. Using the safety belt, you have various positions you can use and to adapt and fix. I'm using here a very simple one because Matthias is very mobile. You don't need so much safety, and you can put it here unlock the casters. For adjust a little bit the height, go up so that the legs lift up from the floor, and then this is the handle, this is the moving position. You can now move the lifter over the rim, so you be aware that the seat is over the rim, comes off this side, and then turn it in, lift up the leg, go in, and then a little bit of repositioning, that's all, and then lift up the top. So we lift up the top up to a position who will be your working position, you feel comfortable, and then the rest of the space you just lower the center down to the top floor, fix it, unlock the belt if necessary. Now you have two options. One is you can keep the patient in this position for bathing and cleaning, or you can just put away this, turn back, and then the patient could lie back and you can have a full bath in the bathtub. Another very nice feature on the SENTA is how we designed the seat and the foam part of the seat. So as you can see here, we have a hygiene opening. You can take away this part and then you have a very nice hygiene opening for cleaning or for toileting. And you can take away the whole foam part from the lift for cleaning purposes after bathing. Another thing is that you can change this part and put a new one on after many years when the foam and the softness of the foam will disappear. So this is very cost effective compared to other competitors who have the foam completely binded with the metal part, which is very costly when you change those things. And yeah, I would say those are the most important parts and things and benefits I talked about SENTA with you. And I would like to thank you very much for attending this video. And if you have further questions, please contact our sales team or Brian or me. We are happy to answer your questions if you have. All the best. Bye bye.